How's it going, guys? This is James and welcome back to the channel Make Money Trucking. And today we are going to be replacing these cab airbags, or at least one of them. So this one has a hole in it. I had some hydraulic lines sitting right here, and from driving and riding around it rubbed a hole, so kind of my fault on that. But this is what the cab airbag looks like. So there's going to be these clips right here. This is the way it goes in. So you need to get a flathead screwdriver like so to basically push these in, and then it'll just slide up under there. But first what we need is a bottle jack like this to jack up the cab of the truck to get to it. Also, you need a flathead to push up under here. There's a quick release on the airline. You can pull that airline out. Take the jack. So that's jacked up. And sometimes they just pop out, like this one just popped right out. Take a screwdriver, pop the other side. There you go. That one's out. Take our new one, and then these are kind of hard to deal with. That's why I jacked the cab of the truck up a little bit. Basically, it's gonna sit inside that hole right there, and the bottom is gonna go in there. You're going to take your airline, these are just a quick release, so you just push it back in the bottom here. All right. And it's just that simple. And over time, this will take its natural form. It'll be kind of squished like this for a while, and the air needs to inflate and deflate the bag to make it look like that in the end. So, and then you just take your jack out, and that's it. Quick, fast, easy, simple video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.